One of my favorite things that Sean Cannell has ever said is, you've got to just press record.
Right.
So to get real leverage on your YouTube channel, you got to just press record.
And I can't help but think about how true that statement is for a lot of us creatives. You see, a lot of us creatives always get bogged down in the plan part and forget that we need to prep and execute on our videos as well. You see, planning, prepping, and executing on our videos is crucial for us to succeed. However, we always get stuck in the plan phase. So that really begs the question, when is a plan good enough for us to finally hit record? Hey there, I'm Craft, and my goal is to help new creatives and video editors grow their skill set and earn money. And today I'm breaking down my perfect video creation formula. Step number one in our perfect video formula is idea generation. Here's the deal. You need to have a consistent way of creating ideas for you to create content. Some of the best ways that I use to create ideas or to formulate ideas for videos is reading blog posts, watching YouTube videos, and listening to podcasts. One of my favorite quotes ever is that leaders are learners. And if you want to be a creator, I believe that's true for you as well. That creators are learners, and by learning from other people, it helps us create. Step number two in our video creation formula is we are going to script everything that happens in a video. Seriously, I want you to script what you want to say, how you want to say it, and even maybe what B-roll you want to add into a video. While I'm scripting a video, I add notes to know how I want to edit something or simple tricks I want to make happen in the edit. I even, as I record, make sure I have the Notion document up on an iPad or on a computer screen to make sure I know what I'm saying and when to keep the video on track. Step number three, you want to make notes on the filming and the editing process before you ever hit record. Go into your video with a plan for how you want to film it and how you want to edit it. Make sure you have the studio looking exactly how you want to, so each shot is framed perfectly, and make sure before you ever go into an edit, you know what kind of edits you're going to want to make, or where you want to place B-roll, or where you want to have a sound effect. It helps make the process go incredibly faster. Step number four in our video process is we are going to film. That's right, we're finally at the part where we've planned enough. It's time to execute. And we start executing by simply hitting record. Get in the studio, get in your bedroom where you're going to record, and make that video. Make sure everything is properly planned up to this point so that you can just get in there, hit record, and go. And by being able to plan ahead of time, when you get to the filming stage, when you run into those inevitable hiccups, because they're going to happen, there's hiccups in the filming of this video, but I'm able to overcome them. How? Because I planned, I prepped, and now I'm executing. So before you ever hit film, remember, plan and prep, follow the steps. So when you get to the record part, it's 1,000 times easier. Step number five is we are going to finally edit that video. That's right, because we have planned, we've prepped, and we've now executed the filming. It's time to execute the edit. And thankfully, we took notes beforehand. We know exactly what we want to edit and where we want stuff to be in our video. So hopefully this process goes fast for you. Last but not least, it's time to upload. That's right. You've planned, you've prepped, you've executed, you've filmed the video, you've edited the video. It's time to put it out there. Don't worry, your first few videos may not perform the way you want to. There's plenty of videos that have not performed the way I have wanted them to. That's okay. Keep trying, keep planning, keep prepping, keep executing, and you'll only get better. And eventually, you'll start to see your channel grow and your audience grow with you. Speaking of growing, if you've enjoyed learning in this video, check out this video right here to keep growing and learning.